Hey guys, welcome back to Lumberjack Fishing. Today's going to be a little bit different video. There's going to be a lot of fishing, but I want to talk a little bit about something first. But before we do all that, please like, subscribe, smash the notification bell for whenever we do something new. Keep in mind, we are doing a giveaway on our Instagram at Romy and Tony. It's got the same emblem as right here on Facebook or on YouTube, and we're not far off from that giveaway, guys. Another 150, 160 more people. We're going to be giving away a whole bunch of stuff. But till then, let's talk about the Megalure. So I've touched briefly on these before. This is how your Megalure comes when you first purchase it. Okay, get your little spoon on here. I call them spoons, some people call them blades, kind of like a Colorado blade. It's a tear shaped instead of just the flat circle. Nice, well maintained, good hookup, nice hooks, beautiful little lure. Works wonders. Snakehead and bass both love these things. I target snakehead specifically, and this is one of the lures I use the most. This is how your Megalure looks after, you know, a couple hundred fish. As you can see, we're tore up back here. The rubber is still good. I mean, if you look real close, you'll see it's got some holes where the hooks have been embedded into it. The spoon is gone. It was bit off completely. Snapped right off. But this video is to show you that even if your Megalure has seen better days, oh wow, that's a big old hole right there where it's been hit. Look at that. Even if your Megalure has seen better days, here is 4 good reasons why you should keep using your broken Megalure. All right, so watch this video. Hopefully it's enlightening, and if you're interested in Megalures, you can always get one at mega.lure on Instagram. Talk to my guy Bill. Here is his information right here. Talk to this man and he will hook you up with some of the coolest frog lures you've ever used, and they're one of my personal favorites. So let's check out the action, and then we'll close out. There we go. And we're on one. We are on one. There we go. And we're on one. We are on one. We're on one. We are. Where is? You're on the net, buddy. We are on one. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Perfection. Woo-hoo-hoo. We got one. On the Megalure. On the broken Megalure, to be exact. This one had the spoon bit off of it the other day. Very nice little guy. You can see that on my chest cam, but very nice, very nice. Go through the motions. You guys know how it is. Timer. Capture. Ooh, and I just spooked another one. Woohoo! All right, let's get this out of your face here, buddy. You gotta give it back, bud. On the Megalure. All right, let's get this little deep back in the water. There he is, and there he goes. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Let's see what else we can do. Oh, shoot, shoot. That's usually what happens. There's another one. There's another one. Right in there. There's another one. There's another one. Another on the broken Megalure. That's awesome. This thing's a little paler. Yeah, this guy's a little paler. There you go. Another small little snakehead, but you know, it is what it is. At least we're catching. That's the important thing. Oh. Come on. Timer. Stop now. There we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Give me back my hook. You can't hide under my butt, buddy. All right, let's get him back in the water. There we go. That's two on the broken Megalure. So I have other frogs with me, but I really want to emphasize that when your Megalure, see if you look back here, normally it has a little spoon comes off about big around, it's about a 1/4 ounce spoon, and it's you know, it's real nice. It makes a lot of noise in the water, but even without your spoon, so this one got bit off. So even without the spoon, I am still charging this Megalure. This is the first Megalure I ever got, and I'm still running the crap out of it. I actually had to go dig it out of the weeds to get it back, but I still have it. I still use it. This is the one I showed you in another video where the spoon was all bent up, but it finally got bent off, and I am still using this frog. So just so y'all know, Megalure is definitely a good hit. So now guys, let's see what else we've got. That wind's blowing the other way. That always the way. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. And the wind's blowing the other way. That always the way. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There is another one. Ah, man, oh man. There is another one. Oh, he's a little fella. Oh, stop now. He's excited. Look at that. Look at that one. Okay, y'all know the drill. He choked this one. Yeah, he tried to choke this one. He a little fella too. That was crazy. See if I can get this one without plier, without the grippers. Let's see where we're at here. Stop, stop, stop. Ouch. You bit me, you little jerk. There. Ain't three. Haha. See you, Sneaky. These little fellas are aggressive. That's 4 on a broken Megalure. So let's see what we can do next. Oh, where you at, boy? Okay. We are in or far enough for work. We'll probably use Megalure again. There we go. There, little gala. Yep, right off the bat. Okay. We are in or far enough for work. We'll probably use Megalure again. There you go. There, little gala. Yep, right off the bat. Right off the bat. Woo-hoo-hoo. He's not happy. He's bigger than the last two. Oh. Oh yeah, he's bigger than the last two. He might be bigger than the last one. Yeah, he's bigger than the last. Oh, stop. Oh, he's fasty. He is fasty. Yeah, he's nicer. He's prettier than the last two, that's for sure. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know the drill. Get him back in here. Hands all slimy. Stop. Oh. Out your face. Get this out your face. How did you? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's see here. Back my lure. Oh, you biting down on it. Like, I fought for this meal. It's mine. I ain't giving it up. You're gonna have to give it up, man. You're gonna get sick. Oh, don't do that. He is trying to keep this thing so bad. You are gonna get yourself hurt if you don't stop. I don't even know how you did that one. There's that. Get that out of there. Oh, wow. I'm not gonna let you have it, man. It's my lure. I paid for it. There we go. Come on out. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Now, for the release. Oh, if you don't stop. There you go. You mad. See, crazy. That's 3 on the broken Megalure. They're not even trying to bite anything else. So, see what else we can do today. That was enlightening. Guys, yeah, like Megalure is really one of my favorite lures. Broken or the way it comes right out of the package, it is just a beast, and the fish absolutely love it, especially the snakeheads. So guys, as always, let's remember, be safe when you're on your kayak. Wear your safety gear, you know, PFD, life jacket, something. You got to be safe, guys. Got to be safe. As always, tight lines. Check out our other channels, guys. Check us out at Instagram. Check us out at Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and again, we're here on YouTube, obviously. So if you could, smash that notification bell, give us a heads up, or give us a like, and always subscribe, guys, because you never know when we're going to give stuff away. As always, where there's flannel, there's fish.